Welcome to general form of a line. The general form of a line is written as ax plus by plus c equals 0, where the a, b and c are whole numbers and the a, the value in front of the x or the coefficient of the x, is positive. So here's our example. Write the following equation of lines in general form. So for our first example, y equals minus a third x plus 2. So step 1, we can't have any fractions. So we multiply by the lowest common denominator. So in this case, the 3. And we get 3y minus x plus 6. And then we have to make the x value positive, or the value in front of the x positive. So in this case, we're going to add the x across and then subtract the 6 to get x plus 3y minus 6 equals 0. For our second example, y equals a half x plus a third. So once again, multiply by the lowest common denominator, which would be 6, giving us 6y equals, and a half of 6 is 3, so 3x, and a third of 6 is 2. Notice that the x is already positive, so for this case we're going to minus the 6y across, giving us 0 equals 3x minus 6y plus 2. Thank you.